Hi, this is Alex from Adult Services, and welcome to the Library Catalog tutorial series. In this video, you'll learn how to search for new books in the Fox Lake Library Library Catalog. So start by opening up your favorite web browser like Google Chrome. We're going to go to google.com, our search engine, type in Fox Lake District Library, and then the Enter key on your keyboard. And then you're going to hover over on Fox Lake District Library homepage and click on the link. Once at the Fox Lake Public Library website, to get into our library catalog, left-click on the box and type in the word book and enter. So now we're going to click on the format book and then left-click on the link, sort by relevance, and sort by publication date. So now you'll get all the books in our collection from 2020 at the top, starting from A to Z. But we want to narrow this down a little bit more. So there's a couple of ways we can search. We can narrow it down by, I might only want to know what large prints do we have. So you can left click on large print. And now it's only displaying the large print titles that we have. Sort by publication date. The 2020s at the top in alphabetical order. And then it'll continue to 2019. You can click on the next to get to the next page. And then continue to search through the collection. And your call number is always located right here, shelf location. If it's available, it'll be in green. If it's not available, it'll be in red. If you want to go back to just all books, you click on remove, and then all books will appear again. Sort by publication date, and then newest to oldest. Next. And then if you have to go back to the previous page, just click on previous. But we want to narrow it down even more. Let's say we wanted to browse by genre. You can click on the genre tab. And let's say I wanted to browse mystery fiction. You can click on mystery fiction, and now it'll allow you to browse all the mystery fiction books. You want to look at the new books, left click on sort by publication date. And now you can browse the 2020s and the 2019 and then sooner. You can remove that. Let's say you wanted to look at another genre, suspense fiction. You can left click on suspense fiction, sort by relevance, publication date, and then it'll bring all the suspension fiction at the top. So depending on what filter you put in will depend on how you want to actually find something. We could even go even further. If you wanted to see what did David Baldacci have that's brand new, type in David Baldacci. And then sort by publication date. And then you see which titles we have that are brand new for David Baldacci. You can click on something. And even clicking on the link David Baldacci will also bring up all the David Baldaccis. Publication date. And you can see what David Baldacci had. And again, it's the same principle. It starts with the newest books at the top, the year, and then it goes in alphabetical order, and then it'll go 2019, and you can keep searching through by next, and then previous. So that's if you want to search by author. Type the word book back in. That's a keyword search, book. We can click back on book if we want to get back to all the search results. Then genre. Fantasy fiction, if we want to see what fantasy fictions we have, you now can search by publication date. So this is a basic intro to how to search the catalog for new books, mostly by browsing, and then sorting by publication date. Thank you for coming to today's tutorial for searching the library catalog. Stay tuned for future tutorials on the library website or on social media, and have a great day.